In this video, I will show you how to fix lag, boost FPS, and optimize Marvel Rivals using the best settings. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And to get started, the first thing that we'll discuss is how you can fix lag that you encounter on Marvel Rivals. So let's head over into that. So here are the things that you can do to fix lag that you're encountering on Marvel Rivals. First is to update your graphic drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Close background programs, close any unnecessary programs running in the background, and lower graphics settings. Reduce in-game settings like texture quality and shadows. Also verify game files and run network diagnostics. Let's head over into the ways for you to boost your FPS. First, you'll need to set your game in full screen mode instead of borderless windowed. Second, you need to use DLSS for NVIDIA cards or FSR for others. Set an FPS cap that matches your monitor's refresh rate. Disable VSync and enable low latency mode. Now let's head over to the ways for you to optimize your experience. First, set most settings to low but keep model quality and texture detail at medium or high if your system allows you to. Disable unnecessary features, switch to ultimate performance in Windows power options, and disable in-game overlays. Enable these settings in your BIOS for AMD or Intel CPUs respectively. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.